Welcome to Vinut Beverage Manufacturing Plant, where technology, standards, and passion come together to create excellence. In the pre-processing room, every raw material is carefully selected, cleaned, and standardized for production. At the grinding and formulation area, Vinut's exclusive recipes are precisely crafted to preserve the natural taste of each ingredient. In the filling room, a fully automated system ensures sterile and accurate bottling under strict hygiene control. The labeling and packaging room complete each product with precision and consistency, ready for global distribution. In the sterilization room, advanced heat treatment processes guarantee product safety and long-term stability. All products are stored and managed in Vinut's global warehouse, ready to deliver refreshing quality to every corner of the world. The Quality Control Lab performs rigorous testing to ensure every bottle meets international standards.